Virginia with my 6 siblings. We're at the tail end of our family reunion, and that is what we all sang at my mother's funeral tonight. And here we are, the last day.
I likely will be playing at my mother's funeral next week.
Oh, now
Seriously.
you're giving me goosebumps again. I got goosebumps when we heard.
My mom's funeral is next week. We're meeting with the church tomorrow. That was one of her favorite songs, along with the one before that, which was Nature Boy. You know, Nat King Cole.
How old is your mom?
She was 88. And then
he's going to his mother's funeral next week.
I'm going to play that probably at my
Sera
mom's
Sera.
funeral next week.
Yeah.
Depending on what we can
do. Yeah.
So you sang that at
our mother's funeral.
Your mother's funeral.
And we are here for family reunion. 7 of us.
Wow.
All 7 siblings.
That's
we
amazing.
all got together the last time at my mother's funeral.
She had 8 kids.
Yeah.
We just had 2, my brother.
Yeah. And we're sure that Mom was
there you go.
talking to you.